Hi, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to do charts modification of an existing chart, and specifically for today I'm going to show you how to modify axis scaling. So as I mentioned in my previous chart video, in order to modify something on a chart, you need to right click on that particular aspect of the chart. In this case, since we are modifying the axis, we need to right click on the axis and then go to the format axis option on the menu. Now again, if you don't know what charts are and how to create a simple chart, I am going to put the link to that video, the basics of charts creation, in the description box of this particular video. So let's just jump into modifying axis scaling. So here I have my chart. Now, what does axis scaling mean? Basically, the jump and the division between one value to the other, or the jump between one value to the other, this is known as the scaling. So particularly what I'm going to show you here is modifying the starting point, the ending point, and the interval. As you can see in this chart, we start from minus, let me just zoom in. We start from minus 5,000. We end at 25,000. But what I want to do is I want this chart here to start at 0 instead of minus 5,000. There is no negative value over here, so I don't think it makes sense for me to show minus or negative 5,000. So it should start at 0, and I'm going to let it end at 20,000 instead of 25,000. And I want the interval to be 2,000 instead of 5,000 over here. So how do I do that? So as I've mentioned earlier, you have to right click on the axis. So the surest way to right click on the axis is to right click on one of the values. So let me just right click on one of the numbers here, right click, and click on format axis on the pop-up menu. So when you do that, what happens is a right panel will pop up, and you do whatever modifications that you need from this right panel over here. So let me just zoom in and dismiss that. Right, so here are the things that we want to modify. We want the chart to start from 0 instead of negative 5,000. So that basically means minimum. Now if you don't see this, make sure you click on this icon and you will see these options. So minimum over here, I'm going to change that to 0. Maximum, I want it to be 20,000 instead of 25,000. So I'm going to change that to 20,000. And the interval between the from one value to the other, I want it to be 2,000. So that is basically the major unit. So I'm going to change this to 2,000. Done. So at any time, if you want to reset this to automatic setting means Excel will decide what's best, so to speak. Just click on the reset button. Otherwise, you can specify a particular value in the text boxes. Right, so I'm going to change that to 2,000, which I already have. So starts at 0, ends at 20,000, and intervals at 2,000. So let's take a look at the result. Starts at 0, ends at 20,000, and intervals at 2,000. So let me just zoom out to show you the entire thing. So that is, right? So that's it, folks. That's how you can change the axis scaling on an existing chart. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like this video, and also drop some comments in the comment section of this video, and subscribe to this channel if you've not already done so, and also hit the notification icon so that you'll be notified of any new videos, and also share this video with anyone whom you think might benefit from it.